Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make corn spicy. To start, select either fresh corn on the cob or convenient frozen kernels. Cook your corn until it's perfectly tender, whether by boiling, grilling, or roasting. While it cooks, prepare your chosen heat sources, like a vibrant chili powder or a fiery hot sauce. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's infuse that delicious heat. For a robust spice, stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. To add a smoky depth and beautiful color, mix in 1 full tablespoon of smoked paprika. If you prefer fresh heat, finely dice some jalapenos or serrano peppers and fold them in. A generous drizzle of 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce will also provide an excellent fiery finish. To elevate your spicy corn, balance the heat with complementary flavors. A squeeze of fresh lime juice, about 1/2 of a lime, will brighten every bite. Stir in 1 tablespoon of melted butter for a luxurious, smooth texture. Freshly chopped cilantro, approximately 2 tablespoons, offers a wonderful herbal contrast. Finally, a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper will perfectly round out the delicious taste. Your spicy corn is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately while it's warm, making it a fantastic side dish for any meal. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, garnish with about 2 tablespoons of crumbled cottage cheese. A light sprinkle of additional chili powder on top adds both visual appeal and an extra hint of spice. Get ready to savor your delicious, fiery corn creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.